Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hunter ceiling fan and the remote is not working. This is one thing that you can do to fix it. What you may need to do is to repair the controller with the receiver. Now when you get a Hunter ceiling fan, it comes already paired, but different interference and stuff like that can cause issues where it gets unpaired and you need to repair it. So this is a real simple thing to do. First of all, you're going to take your remote and you can see here like in this image, you turn it around and take the back off. And then what you need to do is you need to turn off your ceiling fan. And you don't just want to turn it off, you want to actually cut power to it. So what you want to do is you want to turn it off at the breaker. And leave it off for a few seconds. And once you turn it off at the breaker, wait a few seconds, turn it on, and then within a short period of time after turning it on, you're going to press this pair button. And you're not going to press and hold it, you're just going to basically turn the fan on and then hit the pair button, and it will pair with the receiver. And that's really all there is to it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.